Alright, I just thought I'd show everybody how I make my battery cables. I use a good sized battery. You can buy pre-made battery cables like this, but these are thick for what I use. It's kind of an overkill, but I do got some marine grade wire here, and then I got some just battery lugs. So I got to get them soldered on here. This is how I usually do it. So I take a pin and I get some of this flux on the pin, and then I put that inside this hole. Then I take some solder. I got some real fine solder here, and I just smash a bunch in here. And I just cut it off. Like that. There. And now I'll just torch it. And then the plastic will melt in there and seal it off. It ain't gonna be anywhere wet, so. And I just heat this up good. That melts that solder, and then I got a good secure connection. And that's it. All right, guys. Now you know.